In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a meeting on Microsoft Teams for Windows. Setting up a meeting can be a bit daunting if you're not familiar with the platform, but rest assured, I'll guide you through this process step by step to ensure that everything runs smoothly. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams and direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find various options, and what you're looking for specifically is the calendar option. Clicking on the calendar will display your scheduled events and meetings in a clean, organized manner. It's your virtual office planner, helping you to keep track of all your appointments. Once in the calendar view, shift your gaze to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the Meet Now button. It's a handy tool designed for impromptu meetings and quick catch-ups, fitting seamlessly into your hectic schedule. After you click on Meet Now, a small window will appear with the Start Meeting option. By selecting this, you're essentially laying down the digital welcome mat for your participants. The meeting room will open up and you're halfway there. One thing to consider when hosting a meeting is how you'll invite others to join you. Microsoft Teams makes this simple. You have the option to press Copy Meeting Link, which allows you to share the virtual doorway with colleagues or clients effortlessly. You can paste this link into an email or even via a chat message. It's all about convenience here, streamlining the process to make sure nobody misses out on your important discussion. Now, let's touch on how to wrap things up once you're finished with your meeting. If you ever find yourself done with the session and ready to end it, take a look at the Leave button, which you'll see on the control bar, typically at the center or bottom of your screen. Click on the down arrow next to this button. This action unveils additional options, allowing you to select End Meeting to properly close the session for everyone. By selecting End Meeting, you ensure that the meeting is completely closed, preventing any unintended listening or accidental drops into an open room. And that's all there is to it. You have now successfully learned how to start, manage, and conclude a meeting on Microsoft Teams for Windows. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore these features and get comfortable with them. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.